Hey guys, I'm in Walhalla at the moment. I'm at the cemetery, would you believe? And I'm going to sit down and do a beer tasting for you. Guys, if you haven't seen this channel before, my name's Pierre, this is Simple Home Brew. And we're in an environment that some of you haven't seen. It's a little town called Walhalla in about 30 minutes drive from my house. And it's just a very historic place to be. I'm going to sit here and taste Mountain Culture Stout, and I'm puffed. That was a hike up that hill. So I'm going to find a good little spot around this cemetery here, just to sit and talk to you about the beer. Okay. All right. Alright, so what I've got to do is be a bit quiet. People are touring around here. I don't want to disturb their peace. We are at a cemetery in Walhalla. I have a Mountain Culture Kraftwerk orange beer to try for you guys. The sun is bright. It's beautiful. I want to do this before it gets too overcast and tired and the sun hides behind the mountains. Like I said, I'm up in Walhalla, trying to enjoy the place. Crack it open. Whee! It's been in my backpack, so she shook up a little. It's not good up in the mountains. I haven't got any water to actually clean my hands of that. I'll pour that. I'm trying to be quick. It's a bit, looks like it's a bit carbonated there, so you guys hopefully can see that. I'm using a glass that one of my subs have kindly given to me last year before Christmas, and it's been such a handy glass. I think the gentleman was an engineer with a company that has that symbol, if you guys can see it. Look at that, it's very foamy. Doesn't matter. I'll just sit here and toast being at the cemetery, I'll toast the dead to you Walhallians. Cheers. Oh. You know, I got this a while back and I bought it. It cost me a bit, but it was worth having a go at. And the first impression I got was stout. Clean tasting stout with really nice aroma. And I got a chocolatey scent from it. It was beautiful. And it's still doing it. It's a little bit warmer. And it actually tastes better warmer, I must say. It's probably about 10 degrees Celsius now in the jar. Like I said, it's very sunny out here. It's bloody beautiful. The scenery I'm looking at, I'll show you. So this beer, smell, very nice, very intense scent of basically the, what do you call it, the roasted barley, nice dark chocolate taste, and a bit of an orangey citrus smell I'm getting out of this. And what I found was, if you guys know what Jaffas are, I got a Jaffa taste out of it. A little bit of a Jaffa taste. The write-up is for the third ingredient of stout of winter. For the third indulgent stout of our winter series, we've teamed up with our mates at the world-famous Meltdown Asian Chocolates, gives that chocolate taste, who also call the Blue Mountains home. Using an imperial stout base, we've added Meltdown's signature cocoa powder. Now I know why it has that chocolate taste. Cocoa beans ethically sourced from the Solomon Islands, an orchard of full orange rinds. There it is. Now I know why. Added a post-fermentation. Yeah, so it's done after fermentation. Give it a refreshing citrus kick. Now I'm getting that. I would have called this a Jaffa. It tastes Jaffery, like the old Jaffa. It's a chocolate lover's dream, and if it wasn't enough, Meltdown created a chocolate bar to match our beer using our grain. Wow, so the guys over in that part of the world all got together and copied each other. One made a chocolate bar to taste the beer, and one made a beer to taste like the chocolate. Absolutely awesome. Oh, I must say, it is very sweet. It is very chocolatey. Fairly carbonated. I'll give you a better look at it. And the alcohol volume, I'll tell you in a sec, is 11.1. So this is going to kick me in the pants. But here I am in a place called home. This is where I live, guys. This is where I live. And there's the rotunda. Walhalla Star Hotel. Walhalla Station. So this one here is talking about the Grand Junction Hotel was built in 1885 by John F. Williams. In 1872, the hotel was renamed the Grand Junction by its new owner, William Fuller. It became Wallalla's only 3-storey hotel. A cow once entered the top storey entrance. Huh? How? Oh, probably from the ledge up there. To be led down to the flights of stairs before leading out of the front door. The hotel was de-licensed in December 1913. After a short spell as a boarding house, it was dismantled and part of it removed to Traralgon. The corner store. Look at all this old advertising on the building here. Kind of relics of the past. Nice. I'm sitting at the graveside of Michael Chaloux. Died the 27th of July, no, it's 27th of March 1883. That's what the gravesite here says. Son of Patrick Mark Chaloux. In early manhood, he died at 22 years old. I can't really read the plaque, it's pretty hard to read now. So this stone has been sitting here since 1883 on an edge of an almost cliff. What a gravesite. It's probably a very unique gravesite if you guys are from another part of the world. You ever come to Gippsland, check out Walhalla, great tourist area. I went through the mines. I actually did a mine tour, a gold mine tour, and visited a couple of places. Some customers I deal with recognised me and had a chat. And it's been very interesting today. It's been a great day, and I've enjoyed this beer. This beer, when I first tasted it 2 months ago, I didn't like it. I didn't like it very much at all. It wasn't to my taste. It was too strong in flavour. That I'm used to strong beers, but this was too strong, and it was tangy on the tongue. But now it's been sitting in my fridge for that time, and it's warmer now. It actually tastes better warm, and it's a really nice beer, brought to me by Mountain Culture Brewing Company over in the Blue Mountains in New South Wales, and I ordered this and paid for these out of my own pocket, and I do appreciate their efforts in making quality beer. It's going to be a problem. This is 11%, and I've got to climb down this mountain in a minute. What do you do? All right, guys, I hope you like this little area, a unique part of the world, and I hope to bring some more to you in the future. Cheers, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Gotta finish the rest of this. Oh, something hit me.